In this guide, I'm going to show you how to check your Google storage inside Google Workspace. Whether you want to monitor how much space you've used or plan ahead before you run out, knowing where to find your storage information is incredibly important. The process is simple, and I'll walk you through it step by step so you can access your storage details anytime with confidence. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the Google Workspace page. This is your main hub for managing everything related to your organizational account. When you're on the page, look for the Sign In option. Click it and choose the Google account you want to check storage for. If you use multiple accounts for work, school, or personal use, make sure you select the correct one to avoid checking the wrong storage data. Once you pick the account, you'll be asked to enter your password. If you use two-factor authentication, just complete that extra verification step as well. These security layers ensure that only authorized users access the account. After entering your login details, click Next to continue and you'll be taken into your account dashboard. Now that you're logged in, focus on the top right corner of the screen. You'll notice the Google Apps icon, which looks like a small grid of square dots. Click on this icon to open a menu filled with all your Google services. This menu is designed to give you quick access to the tools you use daily. From here, you need to open the admin console. Depending on how many apps you have available, you might see it immediately, or you may need to scroll through the list or type admin into the search bar at the top of the menu. Select the admin console and it will take you to the dashboard where all your workspace controls and settings are located. Inside the admin console, look for an option labeled Storage. Click on it and you'll be taken to a page that displays your storage details. Here, you'll see exactly how much space you've used and how much you have left. This section provides a clear breakdown of usage across Gmail, Google Drive, and Google Photos. It helps you understand which services are consuming the most space so you can decide whether to delete files, archive emails, or reorganize your data. This information is especially helpful if you're working with limited storage. If you notice your space getting tight, you can explore options like clearing old files you no longer need or upgrading your storage plan. Managing storage proactively helps prevent interruptions, like emails bouncing or files failing to upload. And that's it. You now know how to check your Google storage in Google Workspace. It's a quick process, but it's an important one to revisit from time to time. Keeping an eye on your storage ensures your account keeps running smoothly and lets you plan ahead before you hit limits.